Happy New Year, guys! It's January, and January is not just another month for me because it's my birthday month, and that's why it is so special. And I'll be doing a very beautiful birthday series where I'll be sharing with you guys some fun, mazadar content for you guys that you guys love watching here on my channel. So from now on till 13, which is my birthday, I'll be sharing some fun, mazadar content that you guys especially love to watch here on my channel. So yes, without much blabbering, chalo, let's get started with my birthday series. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What a better way to start my birthday series with an H&M video wherein I'll be sharing with you guys some beautiful recommendations. Why? Because H&M is currently running their winter sale where you can get up to 70% off. Yes, not 40, not 50, but up to 70% off. So yes, with that much blabbering, chalo, let's quickly get started with today's video. तो आई हैव माय लैपटॉप एंड ये रहा आपको दिख रहा होगा कि यहाँ लिखा हुआ है up to 70% off and new styles are added. So the very first item that I will recommend you guys are trousers और jeans. अगर आपको लगता है कि H&M के trousers या jeans वगैरह बहुत ही महंगे हैं, do not go ahead and skip this during the sale time. आपको बहुत ही बेहतरीन trousers jeans मिल जाएंगे at a very good price and trust me H&M के jeans बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, सालों साल टिक जाएंगे. I have so many pair of jeans from H&M and they are still intact, कोई भी wear and tear नहीं हुआ, इतने साल हो चुके हैं. So I will always suggest you guys कि सेल के टाइम वही चीजों पे ज्यादा concentrate करो जो आपको लगता है कि बहुत ज्यादा महंगे हैं and that you can actually go ahead and buy especially during the sale time. So definitely go ahead and check out trousers and jeans because they tend to be a bit on the expensive side. So this jeans right here, that is wide high jeans. It's black in color and it is currently at a sale for just 1609 rupees and its original price is 2299, 2300 के आसपास इसका original price है and you are getting it for 1600 rupees. Next is this wide high jeans again. इसका original price है 1999 rupees but आपको ये 1199 rupees का पड़ जाएगा ऑन अ सेल. H&M के ट्राउजर्स बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर है एंड आई हैव गॉट सम ब्यूटीफुल ऑप्शंस दैट आई विल डेफिनेटली रेकमेंड यू गाइस टू गो अहेड एंड चेक आउट बिकॉज मैंने भी खरीदा हुआ है एंड दैट्स हाउ आई नो दे आर such good quality and will last you for years and you stay so comfortable. So I have 4 different recommendations. So the very first one that I see is this one right here. So this is what the white pull-on trouser looks like. Originally retails for 14.99 but आपको 8.99 का पड़ जाएगा definitely on a sale. The next trouser that I will definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check out is this right here, the white tailored trouser. That retails originally for 17.99 but again ये सेल पे आपको 809 रुपए का मिल जाएगा. अच्छा, जब बात हो ही रहा है about trousers and jeans, आपको वाइड लेग जीन्स काफी डिफरेंट शेड्स एंड वेरिएंट्स में मिल जाएंगे एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट दैट आई लव अबाउट H&M की सिर्फ एक कैटेगरी के एक शेड में नहीं रखते बट एक प्रोडक्ट का डिफरेंट वेरिएंट्स पे सारे के सारे वेरिएंट्स पे डिफरेंट वेरिएंट्स पे सेल लगा देते हैं. ऐसे नहीं कि एक वाइड लेग जीन्स जो ब्लैक रंग का है उसी पे सेल होगा बट नो, आई हैव सीन वाइड लेग जीन्स in 3-4 shades that are on a sale. Now let's go ahead and talk about dresses, and to be honest I did not find a lot of dresses that I really wanted to recommend you guys especially during the sale time, but I found 2 dresses. 2 ऐसे ड्रेसेस मैंने ढूंढ निकाले हैं जो एक्चुअली में आपको पसंद भी आएगा एंड आप बहुत ही एंजॉय करोगे to wear and style them. So the very first one right here is a very beautiful black one shoulder glittery dress. This is a very similar dress that I'm wearing. It's a one shoulder dress and that's why I'm recommending कि बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है and बहुत ही सुंदर लगोगे जब आप इसे अच्छे तरीके से स्टाइल करोगे. And the second dress that I will recommend you guys to go ahead and check out is this right here. This is what I will recommend. This very beautiful pink tie up strap dress. I am loving this kind of pink color. धीरे धीरे summers आ ही जाएगा. So आप इस तरीके का dress पहन सकते हो during the summer time and you will look absolutely gorgeous. I will definitely go ahead and recommend you guys to go ahead and check out these 2 dresses if you are actually wanting to go ahead and buy dresses from H&M sale. Oh boy, a lot of t-shirts, crop tops, square neck tops and all, they are right now on a sale and I will definitely urge you guys to go ahead and check them out. So the very first recommendation that I have in terms of all the t-shirts and all tops together is this square neck top. I have recommended this before and I will keep recommending because these are so beautiful. बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है when you go ahead and style them. These are classic wardrobe staple जो आपके पास होने ही चाहिए ताकि आप simple sober सा outfit को भी चार चांद लगा दो. So this is what the first recommendation looks like. It is the square neck top. I'm also seeing this very beautiful boat neck top that originally retails for $6.99 and currently it is on a sale for $390. I'm definitely getting this black Ranka boat neck top. I will pair this up with my trousers, my jeans, my skirt, and I will just look so put together effortlessly and instantly. So इस तरीके का on the go tops आपके पास होने चाहिए, on the go items आपके पास होने चाहिए ताकि आप फट से रेडी हो जाओ. इस तरीके का प्रिंटेड टी शर्ट जो आपको मिल जाते हैं फ्रॉम H&M जो कि ऑलमोस्ट $499 का पड़ जाता है आपको. दिस आर राइट ऑन अ सेल फॉर ₹349. मैं तो हमेशा ही लेती हूँ जब भी सेल आता है, जब भी कुछ ऑफर आता है ना. I make sure to at least get one graphic t-shirts or printed t-shirt because they are so comfortable and looks so cute. Acha, a lot of vest top like this right here is on a sale right now. And I have gotten the same vest top in multiple colors. Green, white, pink, blue, black, off-white. They are so damn comfortable. आप jeans, trousers, skirts, हर किसी के साथ आप pair कर सकते हो. Lastly, in terms of top t-shirts, I will definitely go ahead and recommend you guys this fitted t-shirt that retails for $499, but you are getting it for just ₹199. I have this in black, beige, and white color, and they look so nice. So here is the black fitted t-shirt that I'm wearing. Like I said, I have it in multiple different colors. So this is how it looks like. And lastly, for today's video, what I will recommend you guys to go ahead and check out is the laundry section. Oh my god. जब H&M था 50% off वाला सेल आया था online and in stores. I went there and I bought few pieces from H&M and oh boy, I was so damn happy. I got such beautiful, laundry, especially panties, briefs together at such a low price, and I was like, wow, the quality, it was so seamless, so comfortable, and बहुत ही अच्छा quality का मुझे laundry मिल गया था, brief मिल गए थे at a very affordable price. इस तरीके का 10 पैक का cotton brief आपको मिल रहा है for just ₹449, not even ₹500, you guys. So definitely these are worth purchasing and worth buying because you need to go ahead and refresh your laundry time to time, and definitely this is the right time to go ahead and do that because आपको इस तरीके का beautiful brief and that too a pack of 10 मिल रहा है for just ₹449, under ₹500. So definitely go ahead and try to stock up on your laundry, especially during this sale time because laundry is quite expensive. So yeah, that is it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, then do like this video and जरूर से subscribe करना channel को, and I will see you guys very very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.